Hey, what's up, buddy? How are you doing? I'm Arsalan, and this is Trading Robots. In this video, I want to tell you about the different types of robot subscriptions we have, and which one is right for you, which one you can get. I'll make my image smaller so it doesn't block your view. Let's head over to the website. Pay attention to this part. Each of these products you see are all the robots we have that are sold on a subscription basis. Whether it's the blue trading assistant robots, the orange semi-automatics, or the black telegram bots, all these robots are available as monthly, quarterly, 6-month, and annual subscriptions. So when you click on these, it will show you the options. For example, Team 45 or whatever. But we've added something extra, a table that I want to explain. Look, if you get a 1-month subscription, you get the robot itself and your chart will show up. So you're buying the robot, and along with it, the training on how to use the robot is also free and available on the product page. What does that mean? It means, for instance, you can set up the robot, buy 6-month or annual subscriptions. A 1-month plan includes the robot, chart, and free training. Team 45 offers 17, 8, 40, and 30-minute sessions. Each robot lists its sessions. What's the cost for Team 45? With a 1-month subscription, you get the robot and training. For example, buying Team 45 includes a 17-minute, 8-minute, 40-minute, and 30-minute training. Each robot's training is listed on the product page. The 1-month subscription costs around 870,000 tomans, about $30 to $40. A 3-month subscription offers the robot, training, and a free bonus course, which is a basic course worth 1,900 tomans. A 1-month subscription is about 870,000 tomans. For 3 months, you get robot access, training, and a free bonus course. Choose a basic course or a prop course. So this is for 1 month. Now, you might want to get a 3-month subscription instead. This way, instead of just 1 month, you'll have access to the robot for 3 months. The price goes up, but what do you get in return? Besides having access to the robot for 3 months in the training, you also get a free bonus course. What's the bonus course? It's a more basic course that costs 1,900 tomans, and you get it for free. Or you can choose a prop course instead. Our Pope is 3 million tomans, that is you. Save the same amount comparing annual or 3-month subscription, plus get the bonus course. The prop course is for Forex beginners. There's also a beginner's course for new crypto traders, covering robots and Tether. A 6-month subscription is 14,500 tomans, with 6 months of robot access, training, and a free course. Join the Eye of the Market AI channel, analyzing top 8 offerings. Phantom isn't top 8 now, but I like it, so I added it with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Cardano, and Solana. Here it is, on the main page. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see the courses. So instead of just getting a 1-month subscription, you can opt for a 3-month one and get the course. Now, what happens if you choose a 6-month subscription? If you select the 6-month option, you'll need to pay 14,500 tomans. With that, you'll have access to the robot for 6 months, get the training, and also receive the free course. You'll become a member of the Eye of the Market AI channel, analyzing the market. It covers the top 8 market offerings. Phantom is not one of the top 8, but since it used to be one of the 8, I really like Phantom, added with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Cardano, and Solana. More may be added. Permanent membership costs 900,000 tomans, free with a 6-month subscription. Scroll down the main page for offerings. Click to find videos and explanations. 900,000 tomans for permanent membership, free with a 6-month subscription. On the main page, scroll to see Eye of the Market offerings, videos, and explanations. 1-month subscription, robot and training. 3-month adds a bonus course, 2 million or. So with a 1-month subscription, you get the robot and the training plus a bonus course. That could be either a 2 million or a 700,000 tomans course, depending on your choice. If you go for the 6-month option, you get the robot, the training, the bonus course, and access to the AI channel. If you choose the annual subscription, meaning you select the 12-month option, you'll have access to the Team 45 robot for a whole year. In addition to having access to the Team 45 robot for a year, you also get access to all the other videos available here. So if you get any robot like Star, you'll have access to it for a year too. And if you get Paris, you'll have access to that for a year as well. Plus, you get training on how to use the robot, a bonus course, and a 1-month subscription to one of the trading assistant robots of your choice. We have 4 robot assistants. Let me show you. Clicking the assistant shows 4 options: Tesla, Ikimoku, Banki, and Team 45. One option is free for a month. Team 45 costs 450,000 tomans for a month. An annual subscription includes the course, robot training, and AI. Choose Team 45, Tesla, or Ikimoku for a month. An annual subscription gives access to the robot, training, and more. The 1-month subscription is for one assistant robot, Tesla, Team 45, Banki, or Ikimoku. Choose one for a month. You might get the same robot for an extra month as a gift. If you go for a year, you might get Team 45. So you get the course, and you have a year of Banki, plus the training on how to use the robot. And you also have access to the AI. You can say, for example, that you want Team 45 for 1 month, or you can choose Tesla, or you can choose Ikimoku. It's completely up to you. Let me find it for you. Yeah, here it is. With the annual subscription, you access the robot and training. The 1-month subscription is for one assistant robot, like Tesla, Team 45, Banki, or Ikimoku. Choose one for a month. For a year, you might get Team 45 and activate it for 13 months. If you buy Banki for a year, you can request Tesla for an extra month. The comparison table helps track and activate your choice. Training and purchase guides are on product pages. Scroll down for a 10% discount and 5 free days. He says to activate the 13th instead of 1 year. He says okay. He says 1 year. I bought Banki. We say, sure, we can do that. Track whichever you like, and it will be activated for you. This applies to all robots. Training is on the product pages. Scroll down for a purchase guide. Get it 10% cheaper, plus 5 free days. A 1-year subscription is 10% off, for example, 17 million tomans, which is significant. Buy a subscription or a regular one for Banki. Get 5 extra days and a 10% discount on any option according to the table. There's a 10% discount for everything. A 1-year subscription gives 10% off. If it's 17 million tomans, 10% of that is a significant amount. You can subscribe if you wish. You can also go ahead and buy a regular subscription for Banki. Get 5 extra days. You can use this product and you'll get the robot, the training course, the AI, and a 1-month subscription to another robot. Support activates everything. Same day. Thanks for your time and see you in the next video. Goodbye. Use this product and you'll get the robot. You can activate the training course, the AI, and a 1-month subscription to another robot with the support team, and they'll get it all set up for you on the same day. Thanks for your time, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.